Welcome to Beato, day 15. Old MacDonald had a farm. I'm going to play the melody once through, then the harmony. I'm going to count 1, 2, 1, and then a count of silence, and then you come in. Watch out for measure 7, 8, 9. There is a tie in there, which makes you hold the note longer. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 1. Thanks for playing Old MacDonald with me. If this helps you, give it a thumbs up. If you have assistance issues, type on Bam Potato Instagram. Have a great day. See you later.